Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can change your Google Chrome language back into English, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So let me open my Chrome browser first. So accidentally I have changed my Google Chrome language into French. So as you can see, this is in a French language. And the fact is I cannot understand this language. And I want to change it back into English language for my Google Chrome browser. Then how can I do that? Or what can I do in order to change the Google Chrome language back into English? So if you are experiencing the same case, then this video is for you. So click on these three dots in the top right corner. Simply scroll down. Now here's the tip for this. Do not look at the words because obviously you can't understand the words. Just look at the symbols. Now we need to look for the settings right here, and the settings is in a gear-like symbol. So we need to look for the gear-like symbol right here and click on this. Then on the left pane, we are going to look for the languages. Now the languages has a symbol which is like a letter or a globe symbol. So if you find a letter or a globe symbol, simply click on that. Then here, you have to click on this blue letters right here, or the blue button. Then search for your language. So let's type English and hit enter. Now you have here different English for different places. Now I am going to choose the English for the United Kingdom. So you can choose your different language, like the English language for South Africa, for Australia, for Canada, for India, and for Ireland. So you can go ahead and check on that and then click on this blue button. Now you have to look for the new language or the English language that you have just added. You will know that that is the latest one, or that is the one that you have added, because that is at the tip of the list right here. Now click on these three dots and then check this box. Click on these three dots and then check this box. Then once you have done that, click on this button right here. And as you can see, our Google Chrome is back into our English language. So if I click on the new tab, this is already in an English language, and this is not like before, which is in a French language. And obviously, I can understand this, so I can enjoy browsing into my Google Chrome browser. And you can also do that into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button, and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.